Hey, I'm talking lighting in this video. I'm out of my warehouse. I got about 5,000 square feet and I've got bad lighting all over the place in this part of the building. A lot of dead spots. And what I have here is the BFT UFO LED high bay light, 240 watts. Yes. And that's what you mean by UFO, right? Look at that. And just like a UFO. Now, what I'm doing here, and we're going to hang this up and I'm going to show you what it looks like because I haven't done it yet. So this is my first one. I'm going to try it, see my spread, see how I like it before I order a bunch for the rest of the warehouse. This uses a 120-degree beam angle, and that should provide me with good coverage. The idea here is to see how much spread out I get out of one unit. Then I can do the math and figure out how far and how many lights I need. Now, if you don't know anything about beam angles, take 40 degree, for example. That's a real tight beam. 80, 100, 120 gets wider. You get up to 160, that's super wide. So the wider you get, the more wattage you need because you're covering a lot of territory. Let me give you the specs. This UFO light is flicker-free and features 320 pieces of 3030 LED chips. You can see them all right there. It's got a color temperature about 5,000 Kelvin. That's close to daylight. And a coloring rendering index of 80 CRI, which is okay for a warehouse. What I'm hoping here is that 36,000 lumens, which I feel is a lot, is going to replace like a 1,000-watt HPS fixture. And let's hope it reduces my energy costs, man. Like, I'd love to reduce it by 80% because we know electric is just through the roof. Now, it is suitable for a wide range of applications, you know, like a warehouse like this, factory, workshop, garages, you know, maybe a temporary job site. This light is ETL and FCC certified and features an IP65 waterproof rating. Fantastic, right? It can get damp. Here's the beauty. It's equipped with an aluminum heatsink and a separate protected power supply. Puts out some heat, just so you know. And when you hang them like this, that heat goes straight up. So what happens over time is power supplies, they fry. So they did a good job here of all the aluminum heatsink all the way around and then separating the power supply built up kind of on a riser where you can see through it that allows that heat to kind of bypass and not destroy your power supply. Now, another cool feature that it has is it is dimmable. You have two little purple wires on the top. They're just tiny that you can hook a 0 to 10 volt dimmer. So, you know, a lot of times fixtures, LEDs aren't dimmable. This one is. So if you want to run them at like 10%, you can. All you got to do is hook up the purple wires, hook it to your 0 to 10 volt dimmer, and you're good to go. Let's make this simple. This light is easy to install, and I'll tell you why. First off, the U-hook, threaded, no problem. 5-foot power cable, UL listed, with a standard plug. It's already all there. I don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So man, this is going to be simple. We're going to hang this, we're going to plug it in, and we're going to test it. Now here's the biggie. 5-year warranty. Yeah, 5 years. Okay. That helps me feel a little more comfortable about spending the money because I'm going to have to do a bunch of these. So let's check it out. So here we go. Got my hook threaded in. It comes with the light. I've got a power box right here. And then I am just going to make sure this is tight. Loosen up the set screw a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in. Woo! Safety cable. Man, now that is bright. Check it out, I've got the light up at 13 feet. I calculated right now back to this wall to the center of the light, that's 12 feet. Look at the spread. I got plenty of light on this side, on this, all the way back 12 feet, and I can work my way. I'll just keep coming up so you can start to see the fall off. But man, that's one unit, 120 degree spread. I've got a lot of coverage. So now I can do the math. I can calculate how many of these units I need. And also don't forget dimmable, and you can daisy chain. So you can dim them all together. Just pay attention to your wattage of your dimmer, and you can put them all together. Put it on a switched outlet, turn it off and on from the ground, however you want to do it. But, you know, 5,000 Kelvin, it's a nice color CRI light, and I like it. So check them out.